Page 27. All right, let's look at line 103. All right, two flats, B flat, E flat. No problems there. Look at your road map. Measure 1, measure 2. Take the first ending. Go back, play measure 1, measure 2, and take the second ending. Okay, you've also got some dynamics that you can try to work in there. Measure 1 and 2 are forte or loud, and then the endings are softer, mezzo piano, meaning medium soft. So just try to get it a little softer than what you played measures 1 and 2 at. Okay? All right, here we go. Line 103. And 1, 2, 3, ready, set, and okay, kind of short and sweet, but good dynamic practice there for you. All right, now let's look at 104. This one is from a real piece of music, the New World Symphony. You can Google it and find an orchestral recording. It's really cool. Largo is a new tempo marking. It means actually very slow, but we're going to keep it at our 70. In this one, we also see lots of dotted quarter notes, so lots of opportunities for you to practice the 1.5 beats. I would also try putting those 3 pulses on each of them, the 2, woo, woo, 2, 2. Okay, also watch articulation. This one, you have some slurs. All right, let's do it. And, oh, one more thing I forgot, sorry. On this one, if you notice at the end of the second line, it says DC al fine. DC stands for da capo, which means the head. So once you play through and you repeat those last 4 measures, you go back to the very beginning of line 1 and you play to where it says fine there at the end of the second measure, the second line. So play measure 1, play measure 2, repeat those last 4 measures, go back to the very beginning of line 1 and play to the fine at the end of that whole note. Okay? Alright, here we go. And 1 take, 2 take, 3 take. Kind of long with that repeat in there, but that's a pretty one. All right, line 105. Be careful here. We only have 1 flat, so you have E naturals. Okay. Also notice how you have some of those eighth rests at the ends of the measures on like the te of beat 2s. Okay, so measure 1, 1 te short. Don't hold that note too long or you're going to play through that rest. Okay, same thing in measure 2, 2 woo woo off. Right, you're off on that te of beat 2 in those measures. Okay, so be careful there. All right, let's give it a try. 1 te, 2 te, ready. Did you remember that E natural? It sneaks in there. I know you might have forgotten about it. Okay, so line 106. Ooh, we're back to a fast vivace. And in this one, they don't have a key signature for you. They have all the flats written next to those notes, so check them out. I see B flat still, E flats, and also A flats, okay? So just be aware of that one. And also you see some actual staccato markings in there. So remember, like in measure 3, short, long, short. Okay, those notes are going to be separated from that half note there. Okay, you'll see a few of those, so be careful. All right, so since it's vivace, we'll go a little faster here. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, here we go. Liza J. And 1, 2, 3. Kind of fun getting to play the short, long in there. All right, so let's look at line 107. This one is cool, and I'm going to try to play both parts, bassoon and oboe for you, and then you can play kind of the opposite part if you'd like to hear it together, because the bassoon and oboe part are different, okay? All right, so I'll start with bassoon since that's what I've got now, all right? Back to a key signature of B flats and E flats. And bassoon, hold those long notes for me. All right, let's try it. How about here? 107 oboes. If you want to play with the bassoon part, let's try it. And 1, 2, ready. Alright, now let me see if I can switch here. And then that way bassoons you can play with the oboe part. And hopefully oboes, I don't mess this up too bad. Alright. And 1, 2, 3. Alright guys, there was your page 27. Bye.